Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn on subtitles on Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're gonna find all of your saved episodes. If you go to browse, from here you can see some popular animes. If you go to simulcasts, from here you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, when you go to the account section, right here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So basically guys, from here you're gonna find your membership plan. If you click on it, you can get a premium subscription if you want. You can also redeem a promo code by clicking on redeem promo code. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find preferences. Under preferences, you're gonna find audio language and also subtitles and CC language. And lastly, show closed captions. So basically guys, if you want to select which language you want to your subtitles, go ahead and click on CC language. And then from here, choose any language that you want. And if you want to turn off your subtitles, click on none. Once you do that, just go back. And as you can see, guys, the changes has been saved. So if you have already none on CC language and you want to turn on subtitles, just click here and then again select the language that you want. So in my case, I'm gonna search for English. So once you do that, just go back. You can also select your audio language. In my case, I have Japanese. And now you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.